Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and this is Super Beauty Desires channel, and this is Prerna. And if you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe button over there. Please subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if you will subscribe to my channel. Today I am here to share one video with you guys that is all about my hair oiling routine. So today is Saturday and I am going to oil my hair as I do every week. So I just want to share it with you that what type of oil and what is the procedure that I follow.
Subscribe to Anya channel.
That I follow every Saturday. So today is Saturday and I will be oiling my hair, and then will wash my hair tomorrow morning. So yeah, let's get into this video. So yeah, let's get into this video. So guys, first of all you will be requiring one bowl. So I have taken one bowl here. Yeah, so this is my empty bowl. Now for this hair oiling routine I use this hair oil. This is the coconut hair oil, but this is very much pure and real coconut oil which I have. क्या कर रही हो अन्या? गाल में जाना मार दूंगी मैं भी. बीच बीच में आ रही हो वीडियो में. आपका अलग से वीडियो बनवा देंगे, क्यों आ रही हो बीच में? बेवकूफ कहीं की. हट यहाँ से. So yeah guys, for this DIY you will be needing one empty bowl. So I have taken one empty bowl here, as you can see, and for this purpose I will be using this hair oil. Yeah, so this is the hair oil. This is coconut hair oil, but this is not that commercial hair oil. This is just pure and real hair oil that I bought from Kerala. Yeah, so this is the pure and real hair coconut hair oil that is very much edible also, but I use it on my hair for my hair oiling routine. So yeah, this is the very pure hair oil that I bought from Kerala, and it has all the so it has got all the things that are required for our hair growth. So I will be using this hair oil today. I use this hair oil daily in the sense I use क्या हो रहा है यार, ये shit. In spite of this hair oil, you can also use this hair oil, parachute hair oil, if it's not available for you. So you can also use this kind of coconut hair oil, but I prefer to use this hair oil because it is very much pure and it does not have any ingredients, artificial ingredients into it. So I just use this hair oil. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour this hair oil into this bowl. So yeah, my camera is here and I'm just pouring it into this bowl. So as you can see, this is the very thick hair oil, as it is pure and directly coming out from the that forest and that tree. So yeah, it is very much thick, as you can see. So I am just going to add my almond hair oil in this, so it will get a good consistency to run onto my hair. So yeah, I'm just gonna add 1 tablespoon of this hair oil into this. Yeah, so here my oil is ready, and I will give it a good stir so that all the hair oil get mixed very well. Yeah, so after giving a good stir to both the oils, you will have to part your hair. So I'm just going to part my hair in the center parting, because I prefer to oil my hair after center parting, because it will cover all my hair very well after that. So as you all know, this hair oil is very well for making your hair strong, and it will give some properties to your hair, that your hair will grow very fast. So I'm just taking small strands of my hair like this. Yeah, I have just taken this small hair strands like this, and then I'm dipping my fingers into my hair oil, and then just start applying onto my scalp like this. First of all, I will be massaging onto my scalp, then coming to my tips. First of all, I will be massaging my roots with this hair oil. Yeah, so massage overall your head very well with this hair oil. Heavy hair oil routine, so might be it will be very messy for you all, but yeah, it is quite good that you do it in once in a week to make your hair stronger. So I'm just going to massage my hair like this, head like this, in the circular motion, just above my forehead, so that all the roots get strengthened. You can also use brush, baby toothbrush, or you can also use cotton to do this purpose, but I'm just running my fingers onto my head, because I just like this soothing effect onto my head and scalp. So now going back portion of my head, and then massaging with my fingertips over there. Quite heavy oiled hair routine, so please keep in mind that you will keep this hair oil overnight, and then wash it after one day. Now coming to the another portion of my head, so I'm just going to massage here also. You can directly do it onto your this area also. Comb your hair in between if you want. I'm just running my fingers over my head to solve the purpose. When I was a little kid, my mother used to massage my head with this hair oil by doing this tapping onto my head. It helps to seep your oil into the pores very well and very soon. So just tap your oil into your head like this, so that all the oil gets seeps into the head. Doing in the back portion of my head. Is quite messy too, so remember to wear that top, that shirt, that is you will not mind ruining it. So now I'm just going to oil my tips from this hair oil. Yeah, I'm just massaging all the hair like this. Give it a good massage. My hair are very much falling these days because of the changing of the weather and changing of the cities. So yeah, my hair badly need this hair care routine. So I'm just rolling my hair and then just applying hair oil. Please do it very gently, do not break your hair. Then come to another side, and then just roll your hair and apply hair oil. Take tip of your hair into your palm like this and apply hair oil onto that. Yeah, so like this you will have to do. as you can see, my all the hair, scalp and all the hair is covered now. Now what I'm gonna do, take one comb with the broad bristles. Yeah, it has got broad bristles in it, and now I'm just going to comb my hair like this, so that all the hair, my all hair get oil very well. It can be a weird habit to apply so much of hair oil onto your hair, because when you will sleep, so your pillow will get dirty with this, but never mind, our hair are going to be very strong after that. So yeah, you have to comb like this, and if you want to, I'm looking very weird with this type of hairstyle, but never mind, my hair will get strong and will be healthy after this. So what you will have to do, you will just have to make ponies. I prefer to make 2 ponies and then just sleep, go to bed and sleep, and then wash it next morning. So I'm just going to make 2 ponies, that what do we say, braids, that this kind of braid, as I will show you. Yeah, that school girls do. Yeah, so this kind of braid I am just going to do on my hair right now. 2 hair, and then just pin a rubber band over hair at the end of my hair, and just go and sleep. So yeah, it is my hair oil routine that I follow every Saturday. Heavy hair oiling routine, coconut hair oiling routine. So if you like this video, and if you have any questions regarding this hair oiling routine, so please comment below, and please hit like to this video if you like this video. And if you have any request over the hair query or skin query, please do let me know in the comments below section. I will be very happy to make a video over there. So please hit like to this video, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. So yeah, stay tuned, stay stylish, and get strong hair. Bye, take care, see ya.